Hello teachers. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to register on the Kriyaniti Teachers App. If you're ready to join a community dedicated to enhancing teaching experiences, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Google Play Store. Search for Kriyaniti Teachers App. Download the app as shown in the screen. After successfully downloading the app, now open the app. Look for the new user option on the main screen. Tap on it to begin the registration process. Now, it's time to provide some basic information. Fill in your name, email address, mobile, state, district, institution name, PIN code, and create a secure password. Make sure to confirm your password to avoid any typos. Once you've entered your details, check your mobile for a verification OTP. Enter OTP and submit to verify your account. This step ensures the security and authenticity of your registration. After verifying your account, return to the app. Log in using the mobile number and password you provided during registration. Congratulations, you are now officially registered on the Kriyaniti Teachers App. And there you have it. You've successfully registered on the Kriyaniti Teachers App. Start exploring its features and make the most of this platform. Happy teaching with Kriyaniti.